So this is cable angling method. This is without grouting. All the others are grouted. For test purpose, they have to do anything. As per high Supreme Court order, import can be serviced to test the cable angling available load.
Test it? Yes. All the 9. No. Only one must test.
Testing for testing purpose only. Others are grouted. And others are tested. And it's not possible test. This only can be tested. New technology.
First type of Turkey line property staff. Unique in the world. Now, what other states they have conducted?
Here,
Empowered Committee.
Cameron. The race they make a sound. We measure in the down filter. Ultrasonic. Non-testing.
Remote operated vehicle.
An instrumentation.
Remote operated vehicle. How many points?
They have 30 points. Vertically. Various levels. And the camera is
Beneath the water. Up to what depth?
30 meters, 60 meters, according to the depth. Because section, varies from 20.
How many points?
Around 30 points.
30 points. Not either. സുധീഷ് എവിടെ? ഈ പറഞ്ഞൊന്നും കേട്ടില്ലേ? എന്നാ കേട്ടു? ആങ്കറിങ് എത്ര പോയിന്റില്ല? ആങ്കറിങ് No. Only 9. 9 point anchoring.
No, not 9 points at this one.
9 അടി
spacing.
എത്രയാ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? 95 points. എത്ര അടി? 9 അടി വ്യത്യാസത്തിൽ. എത്ര ആങ്കർ എന്നല്ലേ ഇത് പറയുന്നത്? കേബിൾ.
ഇതിൽ 34 കേബിൾ സാർ.
34 കേബിൾ.